a big family and you're looking for a big vehicle?
Come check out the 2024 Yukon Denali.
A vehicle this big, GMC has installed these automatic running boards which help make it easy to get in and out.
This is perfect for families of all sizes and heights. These back seats have easy entry and exits for those third rowers back there. By the push of a button, she can quickly get out, and if she needs even more space, this can flip up and she can hop on out.
So if you have something or someone obstructing your view out of your rear view window, by flipping this down, it's able to give you a clear view through a camera in the back of what's going on behind you.
One of the great features of this vehicle is that you can put down the third and second row seats with these buttons from the trunk.
This is amazing how much space you get and all the things you can fit in here. So now we're back here in the middle row, which the star of the show, in my opinion, are these entertainment systems on the back of each front seat. They come automatically installed with Hulu, YouTube, and YouTube Kids that will keep your kids entertained the entire drive, as well as wireless headphones.
And a really cool feature is when your kids are misbehaving, you have the ability to control their screens from up here. By clicking Rear Media, I'm able to shut off their screens completely, mute the show that they're watching, or even lock their screens so they can't flip through the shows. I'm in control. Whew, those are a lot of family features.
If you have any further questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below or visit us right off Route 30 in Greensburg or online at smellbuickgmc.com.
See ya!